Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox something from my old collection. So which is this one, and this is by Matchbox, and this is from the moving part series, and this is the older one, not the recent one. So I bought it for $2.99. I think I bought it from Tiny Town if I'm not wrong. So this one is a Renault Trezor concept. So this is an electric car and this is a two-seater car. So I just love the fact it has a different type of opening mechanism for the cockpit. So let's open and see how it looks. Okay, don't think we need a knife here. Yeah, we don't need. Okay, just keep it here. Okay, so here it is. Here is a closer look of it. Let me put some light here. Okay, so this looks really nice. The casting looks really nice. So let's close this first a little bit. Yeah, I don't know if it actually has some kind of locking mechanism here. The rims looks really nice. So the body is actually made of metal, and this top part, this cockpit which opens up, this is made of plastic. I hope I'm not going to break it. That's it, I guess. The interior detailing is really nice. Just look at the steering wheel. It has some kind of hexagon kind of shape. It is not like rounded off. The detailing is really nice in this one. I think we can open it a little bit more. Hope I don't break it. I think that's it. Okay, fine. This is not seating well. I don't know why. I don't know if there is something wrong with the casting, or I don't see any locking mechanism either. But either way, it still looks really nice. If you get a chance to get this one, just go ahead and get it, because nowadays we are not able to get this one. So yeah, this part is also metal and it is painted red. Only this part, this top part of the cockpit, this one is plastic here. Okay, fine, let's do a roll test. That is smooth. That is actually nice. The wheel doesn't wobble that much, and even though this top part is not fitting very well, still it rolled very well. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and it will be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me. So consider subscribing, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.